ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೆದ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 3/2/2019 ನಡೆದ ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೀಡ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. Today, Rabindranath Tagore, complete 80 years of my life as I look back on the vast stretch of years that life behind me and seen in clear perspective the history of my early development. I am struck by the change that has taken place both in my own attitude and in the psychology of my countrymen, a change that carries within it a cause of profound tragedy. Our direct contact with a larger world of men was linked up with the contemporary history of the English people whom we came to know in those earlier days. It was mainly through their mighty literature that we formed our ideas with regard to these newcomers to our Indian shores. In those days, the type of learning that was served out to us was neither plentiful nor diverse, nor was the spirit of scientific enquiry very much evident. Thus, the scope of being strictly limited, the educated of those days had recourse to English language and literature. Their days and nights were equivalent with the stately declamations of Burke, with Macaulay's long rolling sentences, discussions centered upon Shakespeare's drama and Brayon's poetry, and above all upon the large-hearted liberalism of the 19th century English politics. At the time, through tentative attempts were being made to gain our national independence, at heart we had not lost faith in the generosity of the English race. This belief was so firmly rooted in the sentiments of our leaders as to lead them to hope that the victor would of his own grace pave the path of freedom for the vanquished. This belief was based upon the fact that England at the time provided a shelter to all those who had to flee from persecution in their own country. Political martyrs who had suffered for the honor of their people were accorded unserved welcome at the hands of the English. I was impressed by his evidence of liberal humanity in the character of the English, and thus I was led to set them on the pedestal of my highest respect. This generosity in their national character had not yet been vitiated by imperialistic pride. About this time, as a boy in England, I had the opportunity of listening to the speeches of John Bright, both in and outside the Parliament. The large-hearted radical liberalism of those speeches, overflowing all narrow national bounds, had so deep an impression on my mind that something of it lingers even today, even in these days of graceless disillusionment. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದ ಸಿನೋನಿಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೀಪ್ಗೆ ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪ್ರೊಫೌಂಡ್. ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೆನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ ದೇರ್ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಲಾಭ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ ದ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ಸ್ನ ಆಂಟೋನಿಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪದ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ ವ್ಯಾಂಕ್ವಿಶ್ಡ್. ಆಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗೋರ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಪೀಚಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾನ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್. The character of the English that impressed Tagore was their humanity. Tagore had not lost faith in the generosity of the English because he believed that they would not oppress the people. The type of learning that was served out in those days used, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್, did not serve the spirit of scientific enquiry. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೊಯಮ್ ಇದೆ. ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 39ರಿಂದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 45ರವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಂಡ್, ಆ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದ ಶಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್, Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafter, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind got innocent and crushed them all. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to form the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. The wind blocked out weak fired. He makes strong fired roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. His friendship is good. The figure of speech in this line is personification. In the first four lines of the poem, the mind, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ breaks, shatters, scatter papers and throw down books. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. We can make friends with the wind by being, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ strong. The various tones in the poem are, ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪೋಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೋನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಟಿ, ಅಕ್ಯೂಸೇಷನ್, ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಒಂದನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. The number of the line when the poet stops talking to wind and start talking to the readers. The number of the line when the poet stops talking to the wind and start talking to the readers. ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ 30th ಲೈನ್, 13ನೇ ಲೈನ್. The readers can save themselves from the wind by making themselves strong both physically and mentally. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. Finally, the poet says that the wind is a good friend for the readers to have because, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ he will decrease our weakness. Answer the questions that follow by selecting the most appropriate option. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46ರಿಂದ 60ರವರೆಗಿನ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The three key features involved in speaking skill are, the three key features involved in speaking skill are, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಿ, ಅಕ್ಯುರೆಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎರಡನೇದು. The ability to generate ideas, sequence the ideas and draft a complete text are aspects of, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. The teacher present a word search grid to learners to identify the words from the grid. This activity helps the learners mainly to, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ improve their spelling. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎರಡನೇದು. We use cohesive device to achieve cohesion in a paragraph. One of the following is not a cohesive device. So, ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ nouns. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, it is important to use songs and rhymes for teaching spoken English for beginners because songs and rhymes provide useful words, rhythmic sentences and enjoyment to the learners. So, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. The teacher shows the pictures along with the words written below. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ವೆಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಶಬ್ದ ಭಂಡಾರನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅ ಸಮರೇಟಿವ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ at the end of a course. The teacher records the spoken performance of the student on the tape recorder and makes him listen to his own voice speaking the target language. This technique will help to improve a student. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ listening and speaking skills. The definition of a syllable states that ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸಿಲೆಬಲ್ states that ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವರ್ಡ್. 54 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವರ್ಡ್. ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ who are interested in drawing, making models, playing board games are called. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೈಲ್ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೈನೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು 3 or 4 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. The teacher gives the instruction to use the words that are in jumbled order and construct meaningful and grammatically correct sentence. ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Learners are expected to be empowered with the rich vocabulary, identify main ideas, know specific details. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಪ್ರೊಫಿಸಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1. A remedial teaching class is one that is meant to. A remedial teaching class is one that is meant to. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ both a learning skill and rectify a particular problem area. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. The purpose of classroom assessment is to give student the opportunity to. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ಆನ್ಸರ್ have better interaction with the teacher. An example for objective type item to assess a learner is. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ.